Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you putting the leaf guard, this gutter on the leaf, on your gutter. um, I got this leaf guard. Leaf guard means it's not leaf guard company. I got this EasyOn from Costco. It's just 24 feet 5 inch, like width is 5 inch, width is 5 inch, this width 5 inch, and total 24 feet. It's $44. Right now it is on sale. Actual price is $60, but it is now in $44, and they have different lengths, different sizes. Different sizes means not the width, the total length. 100, you can buy 24 feet, you can buy 100 feet, you can buy more than that, and you can order it like that. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you put this on your gutter. You can see my gutter, and like I will show you the full installation so that you can do it by yourself. Before I do that, let me show you what comes inside the box, how the package comes. So let me show you that. So friends, this is the box I received. Let me tell you what comes inside the box. Let me show you that first. And again, I ordered only 24 feet. So 24 feet by 5 inch gutter guard, and that's how it came. You can see this is how the gutter guard is. It's a net and it's stainless steel. The instruction is here, and let me tell you how many came. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, total 6 piece it came. So each piece is 4 feet. So that means so each piece is 4 feet. Let me show you. That's why 24 feet the size it covers. It's little less than 4 feet actually. You can see it's 11 inch. Actually it's supposed to be 4 feet, but it's just 1 inch less, and that costed me $44. And here's the instruction. Let me open that, and they provided all the screws that is required. I'll show you the full installation. EasyOn gutter guard, you can see the digital guide. You can scan and you can get it. So make sure before you do that you read this, and you need a cutter to make it small. If you have any cutter, you can cut it and make it small. And they put all the instruction. So if you need, measure the size and then cut it and put one by one. So let me do that. Let me show you. So I bring everything up. You can see. Now I have to put it here. I will show you the cutting also. I don't have a cutter, so I will be trying to do some alternative way to do that. So, and you can see before, the first step is you should clean your gutter. So if you look at here, my gutter, I have some leaves here, and most of the gutter is clean. I have the gravels, some gravels here, and at the last end I might have some dust, some leaves, dried leaves. So I will be cleaning everything first, and since it is too high, I will be cleaning and installing. So let me do the cleaning first, so that nothing lives here. It's gonna be clean. It's gonna be clean. Nothing on this side that much, so it's clean. Now I'll be putting this one. So while I will show you how to put that, but I will show you how to put that, but it will be little difficult for me to actually show you since I am on top, and you can see how it will be fitting. So, and you see there's two edges. One edge is like this and another edge which has the that sticky pad, sticky pad that will go to the edge. So it will be like this, and it should go under this edge. You can see this edge. Let me show you. You can see the thing that should go inside this, and the sticky pad will hold it, so the pressure will be balanced. Friends, this is my current situation. Let me tell you, I just take out this little bit. I just make sure that it is up, and I am putting it like this because this is the sticky thing, and the way I am gonna put it, you can see you can make a gap, and you can see now. Oops, sorry. I need to make sure that all the way down there. Now I will take out this sticky thing, and I am pressing it. I have to take the ladder over there to make it sticky, and you can see it is now done. It's simple. Putting it is simple. The only thing is you have to be very cautious because I don't know what will be your height of the roof. So let me show you. You can see how nicely it is there, and you can make a hole, and then you can do like screw it up. I'm not gonna do all this because this is enough, and it is right under the roof. It is sitting there, and you can see I have to take out that string over there because it's gone. I have to take the ladder over there and do that, but you can see how nicely it is. And the joints, I will show you the joints. Let me do other side, and then I will show you the joints. Friends, I put the second one. You can see the second one. Here is the joint. They have some extra nets, so it goes one above one. So you can see how nicely it is doing that. It is covering. You can see everything is covered. It looks good. I'm not sure if I will be able to show you the final product or not because it will be difficult. I am too high, and make sure you wear the gloves, work gloves. I am not wearing it, but don't do it. Make sure you wear the gloves. That's important. Your safety is important. I am not fully done. Let me show you already. If you look at here, already some dust is coming, and it's not going inside that, and water can easily go inside this guard, and you can see already there's some dust already came fall down. So this is saving. If you look at here, this one also, see, so this is saving. I have last one left. If you look at here, I have this one left, but I think I have to cut it because this may not be fitting there. So I have to make a mark, and I have to cut it. Let me show you that part. So friends, as I am showing you, this is extra. So I am taking a mark here. I am putting a mark because it is not straightforward. So I am putting a mark because the roof is done here, so it is not straight. I am putting 2 marks. Now I will take it down and I will cut it. So let me do that. So that's how you can also manage. You can see it is not straight, so I will not put it straight. I have to cut it like that. So you can see now This is my path. Actually, I can make it little. This is good. That's how I should cut it. Friends, I just use this circular saw, to cut it. I don't recommend you to do that, and make sure you do all the safety precaution before you use it. So that's why I don't show you that part, but I use that saw to cut it, and you can see I cutted it. So make sure, be careful with all the edges, it may hurt you, so you have to be very careful on that. So I just cutted it. I did but this is not recommended. Make sure you cut it nicely. So now I'm gonna put it back there, put it on there. Friends, this is the current situation. I am done with the task, you can see, and this is the edge that I showed you. Let me make the edge nice, like let me make it nice so that it doesn't hurt anybody. Let me make it nice. It will be better if I do it with right hand right now, which I cannot do it. So it will be looking good. So the whole area is covered, and this is perfectly fine. You can see this is perfectly fine. So this is really nice. From top view, you can see this is done. The task is done. The task is super easy. Putting it not difficult when you have the traditional roof. If some roofs are very high slope, that time you have to fold it, and you see, if you follow the instruction, they will show you, you have to put a mark like on here. You have to fold it and put it there inside that, and then you have to do. So, but I don't need that. This is the simple use. And one more thing, one more precaution you have to take. I am on top, like it might be too high. Don't take any risk. Make sure you call a professional, because the health is main concern. So don't take any risk. If it is too high, don't try to do it. The task is very easy, but the height is a problem. Somebody has a height problem like me. I have height problem, but I think this is okay for me, safe. I make sure it is safe, the ladder and everything. So you make sure, you have to make sure that everything is safe. Don't take any risk. This is really very high. So I won't recommend you to take any risk. Make sure you take all the precaution, and make sure the ladder is safe. Make sure you are safe, then only do it. The task is simple, but it's a risky task. That's the main concern. So be very careful, okay? And this one looks really good. If you look at here, this looks really nice. I'm really happy with this, because if you look at here, actually everything, this is on top of my like roof, the plant, and all these leaves will come. Once the fall is coming, the fall is already coming, and once the fall comes, all these leaves will fall under this gutter. So you can see the whole plant, the whole tree is on top of this. So I had to secure this one, and this is looking good right now. This is really looking good. So my task is done. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know, how do you like this video? If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.